Today's drawing is going to be the Samsung Z Fold phone. It's a cool thing, and we're going to draw it with that fancy swirl it's got on the face of it. Let's get going. We are going to do it so that it's kind of sitting on the table with the fold holding it up. Here I go. Come join me. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.